Trimit Choksi. I am Assistant Professor in LJIT. Student, welcome to session number 5 of Trigonometric Leveling. Student, in this session I have explained about a different type of example based on case number 2, instrument axis at different level. I have explained in it with derivation of all the cases in a session number 4. So first you have show the video number 4 of this particularly chapter, so you have clearly understand the particularly session number 5. So here I have taken only example based on instrument axis at different level. So you know that instrument axis at different level, the assumption are that difference in level being a small depending upon the terrain, the following case arise: case number A and case number B. I have already explained in a session number 4. Just particularly in this session, I have put this slide for a, you have uh, take the reference of the equation, so you have clearly understand and you have uh, fast the calculation of this particularly example. So you know that case number A and case number B, height of the instrument axis near to the object is lower, means instrument axis at Q is higher, and in second case instrument axis P is higher. I have already explained all the concept and derivation and with photographs, with images. I have explained in a previous session. So you have watched the first video number 4. So you have understanding the particular this session. So you know that case number A, Q is higher, P is lower, because the instrument are near to the object is a lower side. And second case, you know that, okay. So you have remembered particular this formula for particular case number A. So you have take a one notebook and first you have write this formula, capital T H1 as well as RL. So capital D formula, H plus small d tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2, and you know that you have put the value of D directly in this equation, so you are getting the answer of H1 as well as you using this formula. So these are our two formula, H1 equal to D tan theta 1, but easy way you have directly put the value of capital D in this particular H1 equal to D tan theta 1 equation, but this is for a just reference. And last, RL of S equal to, there are two formula to find out the RL. One is you are taken when the instrument station 1, so using the formula of first number. When you have considered or taken the instrument 2, so you have used this formula. So this is for just reference. So first you are not the particular D formula, H1 formula and RL formula for case number A. Similar that, you know that case number B, the instrument station P is the higher side because it is near to the object, and you know that our equation are there. You have remembered this equation, D equal to D tan theta 2 minus S divided by tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. You have also considered this equation, but easy way to you have remembered particular this equation. You are using the both of equation, this equation or this equation. You know that after getting the value of D, you have directly put the value of in a equation H1 equal to D tan theta 1, but you have also you have put the value in this particular equation, so you are getting the same answer. Okay, but you have remember an easy way to have directly find the value of D, then put the value of D in this particular small formula H1 equal to D tan theta 1. These are similar, all are similar, so getting the answer of H1. And these are our RL of S formula, means any type of object you are getting from this formula. Okay, so you have note down the case number A formula equation and then B formula equation. Now I have going through the particularly example. So now clearly attention are there student, clearly listen. Calculate the reduced level of the top of a chimney from the following observation. So you have find the RL of the top of the chimney. You have considered that chimney is our object and you have find the RL of the top of the chimney. So S is equal to RL of the top of the chimney point. So you have find, so some observation are taken. Instrument station P and Q, two instruments are taken. Staff reading are taken. From station P is the 2.870. You have consider all the dimension in a meter. From station Q, getting the staff reading is a 3.750 meter. When you start the starting from the find the angle of elevation from station P, so getting the answer of P is 28 degree 42 minute and second is the 18 degree 06 minute from station Q. This data is already given in an example. Now the top of the chimney and the station P and Q are in a same vertical plane. Instrument station P and Q are 100 meter apart and station P being near to the chimney. So condition are given, station P is being near to the chimney. So now step number 1, first you have consider which type of case arise, case number A or case number B. So you have clearly seen here this example is based on case number A. Why? Because the instrument station P is near to the object and its height of means staff reading is a lower than the station Q. So you have considered that P is the near and its level is lower side. 2.870 is the less value of the station Q. So you have considered that this example is based on case number A. Why case number A? Because the instrument station P is near to the object and its lower side. Why lower? Because its reading is a lower compared to the Q side. So this is first step. You have thinking about which type of case arise from particular this example. So here this example case number A is arise. Okay. Now you are starting the solution. First step, draw the figure. You know that this is our figure. First draw the ground profile. Then you have draw the object SR. Taken the instrument P and Q. You know that from station P, angle of elevation is already given in a data 28 degree 42 minute. Theta 2 is given 18 degree 06 minute taken from angle of elevation taken from station Q. Staff reading is given. H1 is 2.870, H2 is 3.750 already given in a data. Capital D you have find. Small d you know that 100 meter because here clearly seen P distance between P to Q is 100 meter. RL of benchmark is given 100. Okay. The height of the particularly instrument station at P is at you have taken the capital H1 and from station Q you have taken the capital H2. So now after the drawing the figure, compulsory you have draw the figure in an exam. Okay, so you have clearly understand how to find the RL and find the capital D. So step number 1, draw the figure. Then step number 2, data given, which is given in an example. So you have write given data. Theta 1 is given, theta 2, H1 is given, D is given, H2 is given, and RL of benchmark is given. So you have directly put the value, all the value in formula. So you have not done mistake in particularly example. Student, this is a easiest example. First, only one point that is noted. You have considered or you are thinking about the which type of case arise, case number A or B. After the thinking about this case, you have directly only you have put the value of this particularly formula. So given the data which is you have write, then you have find the small h. How to small h? Because here you know that our bigger value is 3.750. It is the from station Q, so it is considered as a small h2 and this value is small h1. So h2 minus h1, so you are getting the answer 0.88 meter. So now you know that you have not the formula of this particularly case number A. So I directly put the formula of capital D and put all the value in particularly formula. So you know that formula H plus d tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. Why I have taken this particular formula? Because here you know that this is a case number A, and case number A formula you know that already H plus d tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. So you have put the formula of capital D and getting the answer of capital D is 152.133 meter. Now you know that easy. You have find the H1. So directly you know that H1 equal to D tan theta 1. So H1 equal to D 152.113. Put the value of D and getting the answer of capital H1. So this is our second value H1. Then you know that you have find the RL of the top of the chimney, because our main goal is calculate the reduced level of the top of the chimney. So you have find the capital S, RL of the capital S. So you know that you are starting from the bottom point, RL of benchmark plus small h1. So you are getting this particular this line. So what is the value of h1 is 2.870 and plus capital H1. You have already find the value of capital H1. So RL of benchmark plus small h1 plus capital H1. So 100 plus 2.870 plus 83.39. So you are getting the answer of RL of chip. You have used also second equation RL of benchmark plus small h2 plus capital H2. But no need, not necessary. Only you have find the particularly from only H1 based on H1. So repeat this step. First you are thinking about the which type of case arise. Here case number A is arise. So you have step number 1, draw the figure. Then data is given, which is data is given, you are right. Then put the value formula of D and put all the value in equation of D. Then find the H1 and then last RL of the top of the chimney. So this is our example. Now second example. Determine the RL of benchmark on the roof of 10-story building hotel from the following observation. Distance between P and Q is equal to 50 meter. Station P and Q are in line with benchmark on hotel building. Means this is in a same vertical plane. So now here you know that determine the RL of the top of the point. Here I have not written, but you have considered the point S. So you have find the particularly point RL of the point S. Distance between P to Q is given 50 meter. Here station P and Q are in a same vertical plane. Now data is given, particularly observation which are taken is given in a particular example. Instrument station P and Q, reading on benchmark is given, vertical angle is given, and RL of benchmark is given. Now first step you know that thinking about the which type of cases arise. So here P is the higher value compared to the Q. So you think about this example is based on case number B, not a case number A. Why? Because this is our object and near to the object instrument is P, it is the higher side because its value is higher. Small h value is a higher 2.625. Q is the lower. So you have taken the this particular figure is based on case number B. So you know that all the data you have put first theta 1, theta 2, small d, capital D, H1, H2 and capital H1 and capital H2 you have already studied in a previous example. So step number 1, draw the figure. So after getting the, you know that this example is based on case number B. So draw the figure and put all the value in a figure. Now you know that step number 2 I have already explained. Data which is data is given you have typed. So not mistake when you have put the value in a formula. So theta 1, theta 2, small h1, small h2 is all of the value is given in a particular example. So you have write in a separately. Now first step you have find the h value. Here you know that the bigger value is a small h1. So h1 minus h2. Because why? Because you have taken from first instrument, so you have taken the H1 notation, and then uh, taken from H value at station 2, so you have considered the small h2. So small h1 minus small h2, so getting the answer of small h. Now you know that in a particular case number V formula, d tan theta 2 minus h divided by tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. So put the all the value from of this, means all the value is put from this equation and getting the answer d equal to 114.01 meter. Now getting the answer of d, then you have find the capital H1. So you know that capital H1 equal to d tan theta 1. So put the value of particularly d value in this equation and getting the answer of capital H1. And last, you have find the RL of the roof of the 10-story hotel. So equal to RL of benchmark plus small h1. Here you are getting reach particular this line plus capital H2. You have find both of way. First you have find the RL of benchmark plus small h1 plus capital H1, as well as you have find the RL of benchmark plus small h2 plus capital H2. But you have here in an example you have find the H1 compartment, so only use the H1 value. So here RL of benchmark plus capital H1 reach this particular point and add of the value of capital H1, which is you will find the from formula of this. So put the value and getting the answer of RL of top of the chimney. So student, thank you so much watching this video. In this video I have covered two example. First example is based on case number A, and second example I have covered about explain about the case number B. So thank you so much watching this video.